Hello again, part 3. And I start off here with the VIX. And it's interesting to me because as we zoom in here, we can see that we've had this kind of curious spacing between major bottoms in this. And naturally the VIX, as it accelerates higher, like here and here and here, well, frankly, that's when trading gets really fun again. And my view is that we may be seeing here a important bottom, which not only has been a long time, it's been all the way back to January 4, when we've seen such a plunge. But if it holds, this will establish the third higher low. In other words, here was this deep low back here. And then we had this higher low and another one, and this would be another one. So you're seeing that its ability to descend is diminishing. And in other words, 19 is the new 14, so to speak, which could be misused, I suppose, in some circles, but we're talking about the VIX here. So let's proceed with the next dozen items in the bear pen. Weirdly, as I glance here, not a single one, actually this is the only one that I actually have a position in. I just looked at all 12 of these. This is the one and only one of these 12 that I'm actually in. This is Discover Financial Services. And here is the very sloppy top on this one, all this overhead supply, and 114.82, I would say, is the line limit on this one. Dollar General, DG. This has been a big winner for years and years, but in this case, very similar to what we're seeing strangely with the XLF. We've got a kind of this arced exhaustion going on and an important lower high here established. Dine Brands, DIN, right triangle top in formation. DRI, Darden Restaurants. Haven't marked up this one very much at all. Let's just at least add a range here to indicate a prior top, and then we got this right here. This is a pretty good looking one. 136.06 is that horizontal. Eat, Brinker International, another fine dining establishment. This isn't much of a top, but I'll mark it anyway. And whoops, here's this one, like so. Pretty messy. Fiserv, SIFV, probably one of the strongest, most robust stocks amongst these 72 that I've got in my bear pen. Fifth Third Bancorp, FITB. We've been banging our head against this ascending resistance trend line like so. 5.9 FIVN had a strong day on Friday, so much so let's push this fella a little higher, like that. But that's a big top there. Fidelity National Financial, FNF, like so. Nice big drop on this one on Friday. Guess Inc., GES. This is one of those that we're doing very much what we did back here, where we're pushing into the pattern, we're messing around in the pattern without really breaking down. It takes a while for it to sort of gel and then finally let loose, it seems. A lot of patience needed on that one, I think. General Motors, GM. Incredible to me that this got up to almost 70. I mean, did they think it was going to be Tesla too or something? I don't know. It's GM, for God's sake. Finally, speaking of for God's sake, here's Gamestop Gme, which, as I mentioned in the first video when I was speaking of AMC, I don't trade. I just sort of watch with lurid interest. And what a crappy job I'm doing drawing this one. Goodness gracious, let's get rid of it. But we've got our symmetric triangle here, and we have been repelled by that. If this was a single-digit stock 2 years from now, I would not be surprised. It's just bonkers what's going on here psychologically, but fun to watch. Interesting part of the pop culture. All right, well, that's the end of video 3. I'll see you on the other side.